Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recover end-to-end encrypt chats on Messenger. So let's start. So first let's go to our Messenger account, and then let's go to the three lines, and then here just go to your settings. Here on settings just scroll down and let's go to privacy and safety. Then just click on encrypt chats, and then just go to message storage here, and then just go to let's backup or decreate it. Okay, so you can turn off the security storage you prefer, but if not, well, that's it. Then let's go back, and then let's go to Facebook account. Okay, so then let's go back. I'm here on the main menu, as you can see. Then just go scroll down and let's go to settings and privacy, and then let's go to settings, and then just click here on account center. Then just scroll down and let's go to your information and permissions here, and then let's go to download your information, and then let's go to your download or transfer information and select the kind that you prefer to download information here. Then just click next. Then let's go to specific types of information, and here you can go to messages, and you prefer to download any information, you can do it, but in this case it's message. And then just go to download to device and select the email address or the quality, media quality, and the days range. You can select from last week to last 3 years, and then just click on create files. That's the way to do it. As you can see, it's very easy, and now you can start recovering your messages. When it finishes, it will receive an email address to the email address that you wrote here, and you will receive it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.